This is how you can draw the Cyan rainbow friend. We'll start out with a curve like this, and then loop it up here, and then curve it down, and then come back up, and you can basically think of this as an orange slice. We'll make sure that they're about the same height. Each side is about the same height. Then I'm going to draw a line down the middle just to help me space the eyes, and then draw a horizontal line here to help me space the eyes. And I'm going to come over to this side, and about here just start drawing in an egg shape, and then come over here, draw in an egg shape, and then we're going to add a little skinny pupil, kind of like cat eyes. Come over here, do it on this side as well. And now, just underneath the eye here, we're going to draw in the mouth. And it's going to smile all the way up to the top. Then come over here and curve it up to the top. And then bring it down. Come down to the bottom, and then it swoops back up to the top. And then the teeth, this middle line here, we're going to draw the middle tooth. It's just like a triangle. And then come over to this side, right underneath the eye, we're going to draw in another tooth. And come over to this side, right underneath this eye, we'll draw in a third tooth. And then we're just going to complete the teeth across the mouth to the top, and the teeth can get a little smaller as they go up. Then come down here, and where you can see this gap here, just imagine that if he were to close his mouth, a tooth would fill in this gap. So we're going to draw a tooth right down here, exactly down here, so it would fill in that gap. And likewise, this tooth would fill in this gap down here. So we're going to draw a tooth here. So basically you just draw in the teeth on the bottom where they would connect to the top, connect into these gaps here. They get smaller as they go up. And this is just the rough drawing. I'm going to go over it later with my clean line work. And if you're drawing on paper, you might want to draw lightly so that you can trace over it with a pen and then erase your drawings. Or if you're drawing digitally, just do it all on its own layer. Now for the body, I'm just gonna draw a little kind of oval shape here like this, kind of like almost in between a square and an oval. And just imagine a line running through here that are his legs. So it just kind of curves down and goes down to the ground like this. Then it comes back up. And it does the same thing on the other side. Goes down to the ground. And of course he needs some toes. So just draw a middle toe here that comes out a little bit. And then draw another toe that comes out, and then another toe right there. Then come over here, draw in the middle toe, and another toe here, and another toe here. And then the last thing to do is the tail. So you can imagine his bottom is on the very back here. Just imagine this is behind him. So you can imagine the base of the tail coming out, and we're just going to draw through him. It's going to come up like this. Base of the tail coming out, goes through him, and it comes up onto a sharp tip. And now I'm going to do the line work. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to check out the other Rainbow Friend drawing tutorials on the channel. And thank you for liking and subscribing.